Hello, good afternoon. Today we are going to start a fresh unit, that is circle. So all of you know what is a circle? Something when a point travels maintaining certain condition, like its distance from a fixed point is always fixed. Then the path is known as a circle. All of you know. So what we have? We have a center, that is the fixed point. Okay, and the fixed distance, which we call as radius. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss when the center and the radius is given, what will be the equation of the circle? Because circle is a flat object, 2D figure, so we will have an equation in terms of two variable. Okay, so let's go to the slide. You can see what is written there. It is equation of a circle whose center and radius is known. Already I have drawn a circle. You can see what is it. So we have some points. You can see it is collection of points which are equidistant from a fixed point. You can see here I have a fixed point. We call it center. Okay. Then we have the fixed distance. You can see if you consider any point on the circle and join it to this particular fixed point. Okay, this one. And if you choose now another point, suppose maybe somewhere here, if you join it, all these distances are same. Okay, you can see the definition. You can see if we choose all the points in a plane which are equidistant from a given point, what we get is a circle. The fixed point is known as the center, and the distance from the fixed point to any point on the circle is known as the radius. The center will have some point. Center is given means its coordinate may be suppose some h. Suppose let us choose any point on the circle maybe as p. Because we are considering any arbitrary point, let us consider its coordinates as x, y. Okay, so P is any point on the circle having coordinates x, y, and C is the fixed point having coordinate hk. Okay, now what is circle? Circle means all the points P whose distance from the point C is fixed. That is what we have. I have ultimately Cp equal to R. Now what is Cp? Because coordinate of P is xy, coordinate of C is hk. We know what is Cp. Yes, what is Cp? It is nothing but square root of, all of you know it is, I can write x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. This is Cp. And right hand side I have, we can square both sides, we get a simplified form. Like, so this one is nothing but the equation of the circle having radius r and center. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. The equation is very simple. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, where r is the radius. Suppose if I give you the center. Suppose the center is 4 minus 5. This one is the center and radius is equal to suppose 2. What is the equation? If the
X
center
minus
is
4 whole square
minus
plus
4 whole square
minus 5
y plus 5
x
whole
minus
square
4 whole square
whole
plus
square
y
plus
minus of minus
plus
5, I can write it as y
y
plus
plus
2.
5
Got
whole
it? Equal to 2
whole
square. I can write
4.
it as 4. If you want, you can simplify it. I can write x square minus 8x plus 16 plus y square plus 25 or 10x plus 25 equal to 4. You can simplify it. Now, if I give you one equation, okay, I ask you to find the center, radius, okay, of this circle. Consider it, suppose x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal 5. Can you tell me the radius and the center or no?
Radius is 5. Yes, sir.
What is the
Yes, sir.
center? Center is
minus
Minus 3
3
comma 2.
minus 3, 2. And what is the radius?
5
root
5.
5
It's not 5.
Root
It's
5.
root
5.
5
because radius is root over 5, not 5. Find the circle. Find the circle means the equation of the circle. Find the equation. You understand the question? First of all,
yes sir
center is
Yes,
given.
sir.
Okay, center is somewhere at 2, 5. This one is the center. And one point on the circle, maybe this point 5, 9. One point on the circle is given and center is 2, 5. So from The question, center is known. Center is 2, 5. Yes. What is radius? Can you tell me radius? Radius is
5 minus 2 square
so here
minus
radius is
5 whole square.
Square plus 9.
radius is nothing but distance between these 2 points. Yes, the center and the given point on the circle is the radius. So radius will be here. You can say that suppose 5 minus 2 whole square plus 9 minus 5 whole square. If you simplify, what you get 3 square plus 4 square ultimately is 5. Yes. So although the radius is not directly given, we can find it. So what is the equation? The equation of the circle is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equal to 5 square. That is 25. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us consider another question. Got it? So first try to understand the question. What is given? Area of the circle is given. So two diameters, the equations of the diameters are given. Got it? So radius is not given, even center is not given. Can you find the radius and the center?
Yes, sir.
Suppose radius is r. If the radius is r, what is given? Area is equal to 16 pi. Yes. So what is the formula for area of a circle? It is pi times
R square.
it is given
Pi r square.
pi. Yes. If you solve it, what we get? R equal to 4.
4.
Unit, whatever. So we get R. Now how to find the center? Can you find it?
By solving
Yes,
this
sir.
equation.
So center is
Intersection
nothing
point of the
but the point of intersection of these two lines. So if you solve them, what we get? That is the center. So solving, can you solve it? Can you tell me the values? Solving 5x plus 5y equal to 19 and 4x minus 2y equal to 8. We get, what we get? Can you tell me? Yeah, we get 3, 2 as the point of intersection or as the center, you can say. Yes. So what is the equation? Equation of the circle? Yes, it is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to, it is 4 square. No? Okay. Now we consider another problem. What is given? The circle touches the x-axis, means it will be something like this. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the center? Center is somewhere, it is given 5, 7. 5, 7. Now center is given. Can you find the radius or not? If you can find the radius, we are done. Can you find the radius?
Yes.
Yes. So center is 5, 7 means this particular length is 5 and this particular length is 7. Do you see? Radius is 7. If the
Yes,
circle
sir.
is the
Yes, sir.
x-axis, then its center is 7. So you can find the equation of the circle, which is nothing but x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square equal to 7 square 14. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here
Yes,
in
sir.
this case, the circle touches the x-axis. Sometimes the circle may touch the y-axis also. If can you tell me the condition under which the circle will touch the x-axis? Can you?
Sir, when the radius will be equal to k.
Okay. When the radius will be equal to k. All of you agree or no?
Yes,
sir.
But it is not the general condition. Why so? The circle can be of this type also. If the circle lies in the fourth quadrant or in the third quadrant, suppose here center is maybe 2 minus 3. Yes, I can have 2 minus 3 as the center. What is the radius? Radius will be 3, not minus 3. Got it? Radius
Yes,
is
sir.
positive. The center can have negative values. So the condition will be, what is the condition here? R must be equal to
Mod of h.
H or K?
K.
K. Got it? So whether it is positive or ultimately radius is positive. Okay. Similarly, if I ask you the other question, that is, what will be the condition? Can you tell me?
R is equal to mod H.
Good.
R is equal to mod of H. H can be negative, but R cannot be negative. What will be the middle question from these two? The circle will touch both the axes if mod of K equal to mod of H. You get it? Suppose center is origin. Okay, and radius as usual R. Then what will be the equation of the circle? X minus 0 whole square, or I can write simply x square, plus y minus 0 whole square, I can simply write y square, equal to r square. Equation of a circle having center at origin and radius r is this one. It's very simple. Now let's consider one question. try to understand the question. If you can understand, it's very simple. The circle touches both the axes, x-axis and y-axis. Also, there is a line. Okay, the circle touches that line. Also, the circle lies in the fourth quadrant. So, it is in this particular fourth quadrant, and circle touches both the axes. Assume it to be a circle for the time being. So, it is in the fourth quadrant, and also there is a line, maybe somewhere here. Okay, if we consider the line, this one as suppose, is the question clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you have to find the equation of the circle. That is, you have to find the center as well as the radius. It lies in the fourth quadrant. What will be the center? Center will be, suppose here, if this particular length is A, this will be minus A. So center will be some A minus A. Do you see here? The center will be A.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And what is the
Yes, sir.
Yes, radius is nothing but A. If the circle has radius A or R, you can say, if the radius is A, center will be A and minus A. Is this much clear? Yes?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And distance from the center to this line, because it touches the line, is again A. What is given? It is A, and distance from this point to this line, you can find it 2 into A plus 3 into minus A plus 5. If you remember the formula, it is root over 2 square plus 3 square. If you remember it, distance from the center to this line is again. Now you can solve this equation to get A. I am not going to solve it. Whatever you get, yes, you get some value of A. Once you find A means the radius. Once you find radius, you know the center. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Find the circle means equation, find the circle. Solve it yourself. I am giving you the idea. The circle passes through the point 3, 4 and center is on the x-axis. That is, center is somewhere here. Maybe you can say A0. That is the center. And some 3.3 minus 4 point is there. It passes through. And this particular radius is given. That is distance between this point. If you assume the center to be A0, then distance between these two is 4. From there you can find A. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you please try it.